Happy holidays, welcome. I am Nyla the High Pimpstress and I am here with my Yandy girls, Lauren and Danielle, and today we are going to be doing some heel work. So if you've got some sexy strappy heels or even some cute little booties, put those on because we are going to do some cute choreography with our heels today. So we've also got our cute little Santa outfits, and if you need shoes, boots, or Santa outfits, where do you go?
Yandy.com.
You can go to Yandy.com and you can get you some cute little sexy holiday outfits. And I think Santa will give you everything you ask for if you're wearing one of these outfits. So we're going to start with a little bit of a warm-up, and then we're going to go into a short, quick little holiday choreography wearing our heels. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready.
You ready? Let's go. All right, let's start with warming up. Warming up is going to be really important in those heels so that we don't sprain our ankles. I recommend that you have a shoe with a flexible sole and something that doesn't have a very thick platform, especially if you are not used to working out in heels or dancing in heels. Make sure to push those hips and feel that stretch in each, and then bend those knees and kind of lean into it. Wow. Good. Now add those shoulders side to side. Now let's roll the shoulders back, both at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's add a head roll. See if we can keep those hooks on in our head roll. Now 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Smooth it all the way around. Little roll. 1. Good job, girls. Good job. Good. Now let's work a little bit on our balance in those shoes. So bring your feet up and point your toes. Just little steps. Then take the foot forward. Sit back on that back knee and shift your weight so that you keep your balance. Body comes forward a little bit so we counterbalance. And then roll the ankle. Keep the heel down. That's going to help with your balance there. But roll that ankle. Nice. Let's switch. Take it other side. Sit it back. Lean it forward. Find that counterbalance. And then roll the ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then step out. And one of the first things we want to talk about was safety in our shoes. Please don't do this. Okay? You'll roll your ankle. And you can do some third-degree sprains on that ankle if you roll out of a heel. So try to keep your knees in line with your toes. Alright? And we're going to push the weight over and drop it down. Bring it right down on top of that heel. Take that knee, close the knee down. 1, 2. Work on that hip joint. 3, 4. Then lift, hand down for balance. Lift it up and head flip. Bring the hair up first. Woo! My head's back on. Well done. Yeah. Let's take it to the other side. So down, bring it right up the top of that heel, sit it, and bring the weight off this one and set it in 1, 2, 3, and then hand down for balance. Lift up, get a stretch, heavy hair for the pet, and bring it all the way up. Good. Now side to side, let's add some figure 8s, and bring the legs together. Step touch, 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 and we're going to start to hop our weight side to side. So we're going to go Tandu on that left side. Then bring it in and Tandu on that right side. Now hop the legs underneath. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold it here. Bring that foot to passe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift those bellies in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now take this leg and we're going to do a pas de bourrée. Pas de bourrée is 3 steps. Back, side, front. Back, side, front. All right, now we need to add a turn. So we're going to add a big stick turn. We're going to add 2 types of turns. A pivot and then a chaîné. So on the turns, it's very important that you keep your spot. If you lose your spot, you're going to get dizzy, you're going to lose your balance, and then you're likely to fall, okay? So on your pivot, you're going to step the leg in front and just pivot and face the back. Face the back. Then step and pivot, face at the front. right? So if you turn your head quickly, your body will follow. That will help keep your balance and minimize any dizziness that you get going on, right? Now going in a chaîné. A chaîné is going to be, it's really just a fancy French word for chains. It's just a chain of turns, right? We're gonna do four steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is gonna help us find that balance and stop our momentum. So again, the spot is gonna be really important. Spot something that's not moving in that direction. So put something that's not likely to move on you and fix your eyes on that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you get really good at it, you can even spot the front if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the lunge and lean into that leg and the tap on the outside is going to be really good for stopping your momentum and getting your balance. Very important. Okay, let's go into our choreography here. So we're going to start facing back. So we're here, and that right hip, right foot is prepped. We're going to bounce that right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ball, change, pivot, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ball, change, pivot, snap. Now you're going to flip and look over your left shoulder. So flip your hair, turn and look over so that you're here. So that right hip is still popped back. Slide down and up, down and up. From there, we're going to have step, tendu, slide, flip. And then here comes pas de bourrée. 1, 2, 3, passe, and out, slide, flip, up. Okay? Here comes up, and then as you come up, lead head, shoulders first, slide in and here. Good. Now, we're going to add circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4. So it's a little half circle or like a raise or an ellipse or like a figure 8, right? We're doing that for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide down, open, and you're going to have to go way high up on your toes here, and then close. Then open, turn, pop, pop, lift, and roll. We just finished with unwrap me with your eyes here, right? So now we're going to take this left leg and we're going to paddle that 2, 3, 4 to face this direction. And then we're going to step on that foot, tendu out, then take this leg behind, 1, 2. So you're turning behind yourself. Then pas de bourrée. Back, side, front, close, slinky to the knee, crotch shot, take it away, and roll the hip. We're going to come down, and you're going to come down here, reach your right hand for the floor, and you're literally going to fall right off your feet onto your bum. So this hand catches the floor, your right leg, which is your front leg, is going to kick forward, sit, close. So we just got here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Close, roll back. And this is where we want to pull your belly button in to support your low back and rock back onto your tailbone. Lift your knees in, and we're going to go left, right, left, right, left straight. So we start with the left and we have 4 kicks. You're going to do a thigh roll. So you're going to roll right across the thigh like this. And you keep this leg pointed and knee bent. We call this a stiletto kick. This is a single stiletto kick. Right? All right, then we're going to come down and porno push up. Flip it. 2 head flips. 1, 2, and out. Here. Then snake hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left elbow for snake roll. Left leg for snake roll. Turn. Bring knees in. Kick and flip your head back. Then use this leg to be the momentum to bring you up. Then throw that leg forward, lift onto it over the heel. So get your weight over the heel so that you can get all your weight off this leg so that you can look over. Then back center, lift up, slide the hands, smack, here, flip, and turn. Yes. Okay, so now we're ready to perform this little sexy routine. So what I want for you to do, we're gonna play with some styling elements. So since you got these little cute little outfits, go ahead and take your hood, put your Santa hoods on, and pull them really far down so you kind of barely only see a little bit of your face. So we're gonna toss those hoods back, but we're gonna toss them back in our choreography. So remember that part where we go down here and we flip up? This is where you're gonna flip that hood right off. So you can even find spots, so even if you don't want to do the choreography that we're doing, if you've got your sexy outfits, you can practice lifting the hood off and letting it roll around your shoulders. You can tease on one side and peek out, tease on the other side and peek out, and throw the hood back slowly. You can practice flipping the hair back. So the secret to getting that hood to flip, girls, is going to be the chin. Same thing with your hair. To get your hair out of the way, flip your chin forward. So when you come up from that head toss, you got to really think of flip the head back, push your chin forward. Yep. That's going to get whatever is on your head back and off your head. All right, so let's go ahead and put that on. And let's try this from the top. I guarantee it, if you practice this at home, get you some sexy Yandy boots, get you some sexy Yandy Santa outfits, and Santa will eat your cookies. I promise. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you guys. Thank you so much for having me back. I love being here with you. Thank you, Yandy, for bringing me back on. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and get yourself a whole bunch more content. We'll be putting out a whole lot more stuff for you to practice and play with. And thank you from ho, ho, and ho. Woo.
I forgot to prove it.
It's okay.
Gotta prove it.
Yeah.
Hey YouTube, it's Brenna Black. If you like what you just saw, prove it. And check out our YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe.